Hello everyone. So today in the review series of different university in 2026 through CUET PG, where you can get the admission for your M.Pharm degree. So we will discuss today about Harisingh Gour. So Doctor Harisingh Gour, you can just search it. This is one of the very renowned and old, central university if I say. So it is actually situated in Madhya Pradesh, okay, Sagar University, and previously it was known as Sagar University also. So it is a central university, and A plus grade is there by NAC in the fourth cycle. So now that if you check the admission, that in 2026 and 2027 that session, the postgraduate, we are only bothered about the postgraduate M.Pharm degree. So yet to be started. It's not started yet, but we are just reviewing it. That it is a very good university, so you can try through your CUET PG score. Okay. So as per the previous record, if I try to say, like first of all, like which branches is there. So for that reason you have to search like academics, and different school and departments is there. So under that तुमको मिल जाएगा, like if you search it, like Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences is there. Okay, Department of Pharmaceutical is there, and here you have to come in the programs. Okay, so in the programs you can search. Now see, that is the M.Pharm degree, and under M.Pharm degree, which specialization is available in Sagar University. You can get pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutical biotechnology, pharmacognosy. So that is the specialization which is available in Harisingh Gour Vishwavidyalaya. And if you say like what is the criteria, so that is the CUET PG NTA, that portal. And here if you search the central university, under that a lot of central university list is there. But if you search that is the where, just let me check. Central University Amarkantak, yes, wait, Rajiv Gandhi, Harisingh Gour, Doctor Harisingh Gour, in a 21 serial number the university is there, Doctor Harisingh Gour Vishwavidyalaya. So if you click it, then you can find the different test paper code and the program that you can find in Doctor Harisingh Gour, and you can take the admission through your CUET PG score. So we are only interested about the M.Pharm degree. So you have to come in the course code, that is in S. Let me check. Pharmaceutical science. That is the point. Okay. SCQ P23 M.Pharm degree. So what is the eligibility criteria? So B.Pharm degree should be there with 55% equivalent CGPA, and if you have GPAT or GATE valid score, it will be give some kind of more extra weightage to prepare the merit list, and you will be there in the first counseling, second counseling. So lot of phase of counseling is happening there. So first merit list will be there, then second, then consequently third, and like that. But if you have some kind of good score in GPAT and in the CUET PG both, so you will have some kind of more number and more score, and the chances will be very high that you can get the admission in the first counseling or even second counseling. Okay, so GPAT and GATE valid score, if it is there, it is good. And you have, obviously you should have the registration under your respected state pharmacy council. Okay, and candidates seeking admission to this program, we graduate in B.Pharm, 55% equivalent CGPA, valid GPAT GATE score, and relaxation of 5% marks will be there for the category belongs to SC, ST, PWD categories. And the student candidates should be have registration with respective state pharmacy council, or should obtain same within 2 months from the department admission. मतलब तुम्हारे पास अभी तक pharmacist registration नहीं होगा तब भी चलेगा, but you have to apply for the registration, and from that date you will get admission in Harisingh Gour. So from that day, within 2 months you have to submit the registration, that I have got the registration from my respected the respective pharmacy council. Okay, so that is the things here. And 2026 detailed information brochure they have not published yet, so you can find in the admission section. Okay, in the admission section you can find them. But this is for a pharmaceutical department. But all over, if you search normally, just let me check. You just search Dr. Harisingh Gour Vishwavidyalaya, then this is the first official website. Okay, and sorry, this is not. This is the website. Yes, yes, and then you have to click. You can see here admission 2025-26, 2020. That you have to click, and whenever the admission process of 2026-27 session will start, you can get the link here, but that link is not currently working. Means I think the admission is not started yet, but we will just inform you as soon as it start. Okay, so that is the all about Dr. Harisingh Gour. So this is the alternative. Those who haven't got any good score in GPAT, or even those who haven't qualified in GPAT but have some kind of good score in CUET PG, so you can definitely try for that this kind of good central university. And if I talking about NIF ranking, as per my knowledge, when I have searched, I haven't find it for 2025. But don't just bother about the thing, because in 2027, so it have some kind of good rank in NIF. So only NIF ranking, it's not everything. Okay, the renowned institute, it is obviously, and the what you can say, like a lot of infrastructure. A lot of the old professor or the senior professor, you can so you can observe that they are saying that Sagar University have some kind of good instrumentation facility. Okay, so that benefit you can get. Okay, and then if you obviously have some kind of good knowledge, good academic track record, good skill, you will get a job. So don't bother about the thing that what is the placement scenario here. At first you have to get the admission, then you have to take the advantage of the university facility. As per my knowledge, the instrumentation facility is very good in Dr. Harisingh Gour. So this will be a very good alternative for you, and whenever the admission process will be start, then we will inform you. Okay, so that is from our side, from GPAT Gyan. So thank you once again. Just connect with us. Lot of video regarding many important and very good university is yet to become. So just connect with us. Okay, thank you.